So this problem, given integral small problem for 2 marks. If alpha beta belongs to R Riemann integral, and f and g also belongs to R, means Riemann function, Riemann integral functions, then show that integration a to b alpha into fx plus beta into gx dx equals to alpha outside integration of f of x, beta outside integration of g of x. So addition law, in integration. So write it here also in the Riemann integral. So simple proof, 2 marks question. So if alpha and beta belongs to R, is Riemann integrable function. Alpha and beta constants are, f and g are functions, and this function also Riemann integrable function. Okay. Then by the theorem, just previous theorems, we have alpha belongs to R, or alpha is any constant and f is a function, then alpha into f also belongs to R, as well as beta into g also belongs to R, Riemann integral function. Okay. Alpha any constant, beta any constant. Okay. Now their addition also, again by theorem, f plus g is like, so f into g also belongs to R. Okay, so this belongs to. And about the integration, and integration of function alpha into f, beta into g, x dx will be equals to a to b alpha into f of x dx plus a to b beta into gx dx. Addition law of integration, yes. Again alpha will be outside, scalars are outside, again theorems are alpha outside, constants are outside, beta outside, constants are outside the integration of ordinary integration. Hence proof. Okay, addition law. Next example, again Riemann integral. Let a function f be continuous and non-negative on the interval AB, then prove that capital f of x equals to a to x f of t dt for all the x's is monotonic, increasing, non-decreasing. Non-decreasing means increasing on interval AB. Okay, so let function f be continuous and non-negative. That means function f of x is a positive for all the x's lie between a and b. Therefore, integration a to b f of s dx also positive, is exist. This integral is exist. Also continuous. F is Riemann integrable function on the interval AB. Now x belongs to interval AB, one of the point. Therefore, this f is also Riemann integrable on A to x. Therefore, integration A to x f of t dt will be exist and defined as this like f of x will be A to x f of t dt, the function. Now, so this function is okay, monotonic increasing function. So take 2 points, increasing or decreasing, 2 points. So let x1 and x2 are the 2 points of the interval AB. Therefore, of course, f is integrable on also this interval x1 to x2. Okay. So now consider we have f of x2 minus f of x1, increasing, decreasing. Okay. X1 is less than x2. Of course, relation x1 is less than x2. F of x2, f of s a to x, f of s2 a to x2, f of t dt as it is, minus f of x1 a to x1, f of t. So into x2 minus becomes plus f of t dt. So minus becomes plus a to x1, x1 to a f of t dt. So which is same as x1 to a f of t dt plus a to x2 f of t dt. X1 to a and a to x2. That means what? X1 to x2 f of t. And this is positive, as from f of t is positive, this is positive. So therefore, f of x2 minus f of x1 is positive, greater than 0. That means what? F of x1 is less than f of x2. If x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 less than x2 is what? Increasing function. So this f of x is monotonic increasing function. Next example. F is continuous function on the interval AB and mod of f of x is less than k. Okay, for all the x's between a and b. Then prove that mod of integration a to b f of x bx will be less than k times b minus a. So if f is continuous on interval AB and mod of f of x is less than k. So if f is continuous, then mod of f is also continuous, and also mod of f is also integrable, Riemann integral function, f integrable, okay, Riemann integral and mod. Now about the mod, we know about the mod of integration always less than integral outside and mod inside. Mod of integral always less than integration of mod. Now mod of fx k constant, k outside, integration of dx x a to b, and this is b minus a. So a into b minus a will be answer. Simple. 2 marks. Theorem, okay? If f is continuous on the closed interval AB and capital F, okay, another function is continuous and differentiable both on the interval AB, and the condition that relation between f and f, so this f of x capital, okay, equals to small f of x, or x belongs to interval A. Then we have to show a to b f of x dx small equals to f of b minus f of a. Fundamental theorem. Integration. So if small f is continuous function on the interval AB, capital F is a continuous and differentiable on the interval AB with the condition that f dash x equals to f of x is given to you for all the x's lie between a to b. Okay, then very so let another function, okay, g of x, okay, defined as a to x, f of x dx, g of x a to x. Then by the theorem, because previous theorem, long theorem, so g dash x equals to f of x. G dash f of x. Now 1 and 2, combine 1 and 2. F dash is equals to f of s, therefore g of s. Right side same, therefore left side same. F dash x equals to g dash x. Integration, integrating with respect to x. Integration of f dash x, f of x. Integration of g dash x, g of x, plus some constant k suppose. Now okay, put x equal to a. So f of a, g of a plus k. Now what is f of a and g of a? Now g of a, what is g of a? So g of x, a to x, g of x dx. So g of a will be what? A to a, upper limit, lower limit, same is what? Answer 0. Upper limit, lower limit, same, that is what? Answer is 0. So g of a will be 0. So k is a f of a now, k will be f of a. Okay, so put in 3. So this becomes now f of x equals to g of x plus k. K means f of a. Okay. Now put x equals to b. Okay. So first we put x equal to a. So f of b equals to j of b plus f of a. Therefore, from this g of b equals to f of b minus f of a. What is g of b? So g of x, a to x. So g of b, a to b. Okay, it will be g of x dx. So in this way, okay, we complete our Riemann integral. So end of in this way, unit 1, unit 2, and finally we take unit 4. This Riemann integral is unit 4 actually. Okay, so unit 3 now remaining. So unit 3, okay, in regular college from 1 December. Okay, so unit 4 we will study. We have to teach you in a regular college which is starting from 1 December in college. So we completed 3 units are okay in online classes. Unit 1, unit 2, sequence, series, and this now Riemann integral. Actually is a 4th unit actually in the list of syllabus. So unit 3 is remaining. Okay, in regular classes, regular college, we start from the 1 December. Okay, see you.